Number 1, the graph shows the relationship between the number of students selling tickets and the amount of money raised. Which statement is not true? A, the relationship is linear because the graph is a straight line. B, as the number of students selling tickets increases by 1, the amount of money raised increases by exactly $23. C, as the number of students selling tickets increases by 1, the amount of money raised increases by $15. D, the relationship is linear because the rate of change is constant. The first thing that I notice is it says which statement is not true. That means I'm looking for something that is a false statement. I like to write that down so that I don't forget. I also see that this is a graph, and sometimes graphs aren't my best friend, so I'm going to go ahead and draw a table on the side, and I'm going to write out some of these points. So the first point that I see when I go to one student, and I go up, it's less than 20. Since these count by 20s, the middle would be 10, and this is like in the middle of 10 and 20, so I'm going to say that's 15. Then I'm going to go look at 2 students, and when I go, this is in the middle of 20 and 40, so that's 30. And when I go to 3 students, this is just a little bit above 40, so the middle would be 50, so between 40 and 50 is 45. A, the relationship is linear because the graph is a straight line. I know that the word linear has the word line in it. So this is true, and I'm looking for something that's false so I can eliminate that answer. When I look at D, it also says that the relationship is linear, which I agree with, because the rate of change is constant. This word constant means that it goes on in the same direction forever and ever. Since this is also true about my line, I know that I can eliminate that because I'm looking for a false answer. Looking at B, as the number of students selling tickets increases by 1, the amount of money raised increases by exactly 23. Well, when I look at my table and I have 1, and I go up to the first point, that's even less than 20, so that can't be true. But I'm going to go double check with C real quick. As the number of students selling tickets increases by 1, the amount of money raised increases by 15. Well, from 1 to 2, that's plus 1. From 15 to 30, that's plus 15. From 2 to 3, that's plus 1. From 30 to 45, that's plus 15. So this is also true, which means I can eliminate it, and the correct answer is B.